Hi friends, welcome to a Techies Talk. This is the most anticipated video which every freshers and most of us are waiting for, right? So this is top 5 interview questions and answer and how to face it. Even though if it is a fresher or an experienced one, this is the 5 basic interview questions which everyone need to face it when they are attending an interview. But freshers case is little bit tricky because they are going to face those interview questions very first time, and even though they are communically strong and they have technically strong, but still they have some discrepancies because they are facing the interview for the first time. So they need to build their confidence level, and these are some tricks which I am going to share you, which will be helpful for you to crack your interviews very easily. Before moving on to our video, please subscribe our channel at Techies Talk, like it and share to your friends also. So let's move on to our video. The first question which everyone knows, right? That is, tell me about yourself. Next, what is your strength? What is your weakness? Why should I hire you? What you know about our company? So these are all the 5 questions. These are all 5 important questions which everyone need to face it, one or the other. So how to face these type of questions and how to answer that is a very main part. How to answer that or how to deal with this, we can check one by one. First, tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. As in our previous video, we have given the very detailed version. That is nothing but we need to make our answer very short. Be confident. Highlight your achievements. So even though you have lived your life for 20 years, right? You are facing the interview now. You need not share the 20 years of life with the interviewer. The very important part that inspires the interviewer, that part you need to share it. So we need to make it short. What is your proficiency and what are your achievements? That is, achievements in the case you might have submitted your technical paper, you have gained an internship, or you might have got an award in some colleges or in symposium. So highlight those. Be confident in your answer. Even though you are missing some communication skill, it is okay. Don't be afraid of the panel. You just crack it. You will just crack it. You will and you can. So some example is, I am a computer science graduate with outstanding grade. I have presented a technical paper in artificial intelligence. I did an internship in TechSoft, which helped me to gain knowledge. I chose this field because of my interest in software development. I am looking for an opportunity to work in a software environment to learn something that will augment my computer skills and help the firm to achieve a lot of result. So this is one of the example. How can you face that? Tell me about yourself. So as this example narrates, just tell about your graduation and a grade if necessary, and then you might have submitted a paper or did an internship, so highlight those. If you might have cracked in some symposium with software debugging or anything that is related to your work, so that you can share it with the panel. So whatever inspires, whatever helps augment your achievement, highlight those and you will crack it. Then comes, what is your strength? So emphasize your key strength. You might have you have several strengths, right? Being a man, being a human being, you will be having n number of strength, but look for your appropriate strength which will be necessary for your applied work. Example, I am a good team player. I am a hardworking person. So these and all add up your strength. Then comes, what is your weakness? Weakness is, most of us will tell like I am a short tempered person. So that is not your weakness, and that is not important for your work actually. Weakness should stress on your positivity. Like for example, see, I can't say no to anything. So that is your weakness. Even though if it is your weakness, it will be a strength for your job, strength for your firm where you have been applied. So this is one of the important weakness point which you need to know. Weakness is, it should be the strength for your work. So you need to highlight those things. You should not tell my weakness is I'm lazy, I can't handle my work alone, I need someone to take care of me. So if this is the weakness you are highlighting in your interview, so that is it actually. So this will not handle any positivity for your work. So, highlight your weakness like this: I can't leave my work abruptly unless and until the work assigned to me is completed. So, these are all the weakness points which you can highlight in your interview. This will actually add up your score. Then comes, why should I hire you? Here everyone will be asking the same question, and everyone will be facing the same, and they are also so there will be n number of freshers who have applied for that work. So everyone, if they are answering the same thing, it will not be good. You should be unique, you should present yourself unique. So just be unique and don't be overconfident. Someone tells like I am suitable for everything, I am confident that I can do any problem you will share, or any project you have assigned me, I can crack it so well. So this will be a negative mark, and also you should not be overconfident. So some example is, as I am a fresher, you can mold me in any technology you want. Being a quick learner, I am open to challenges. I can adapt myself to any new platform and help in your project. So this is one of the best way to produce yourself, to emphasize yourself. That is, as you are a fresher, you will be open to any technology, and whatever the technology you have been trained, you can be confident enough that you can crack it, you can mold yourself in that technology you have been assigned. So highlight that point and produce yourself to the panel. So this will actually increase your score, and the panel will, for sure they will be getting impressed on you. So the next one is, that is what you know about our company. So before applying for the job, or before going for that interview for that company, you just go through the company profile and what are all the key projects they are into. For example, if you are going to attend about Infosys, so before attending HR interview or HR round for the Infosys, just to go through the company. Pinnacle is one of the product which have been introduced by Infosys, and they are developing it. So highlight that. If they are asking about what you know about our company, highlight that project and their achievement. And so be exact about those dates and years. So what when the company has been started and who is running it, and what are all the key project, and highlight their achievement. So in this way, panel will be surely impressed by your homework you have done for that company, and this will score you a very good impression on you. So this is all about the 5 top question and answer for cracking your interview well, and all the best for your future. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel at Techies Talk and press the bell icon for the further notification. I am signing off right now, and seeing you in the future video. Thank you. Bye.